2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is it.
Alright. What was right there? Best Buy. This way. This has got to be it right here. Yep, I got it.
Got it?
Panini Kebab Grill.
Panini.
Yeah, it sounds so random, but I'm telling you.
Breakfast place?
Yeah, it's bomb. Yep, this is it. Alright, so we're gonna look up. So there's actually one right by the gym. Would you guys rather, you guys want to come back home before we go to the gym? Or you want to go right?
Don't matter to me.
Yeah, your stomach's not gonna be able to settle.
I just won't go crazy on breakfast and then we could lift and then we could eat more after.
Yeah. I think ready to go. I'm ready to go because I'm starving.
Yeah, same. How far is that place?
Huh?
How far is that place?
It's like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Huh? So we're gonna go. You hear me? We're gonna go to breakfast at that place that Kira and I went to, and then we're gonna go back here because that restaurant's over there, and then we'll wait with you here. We can go to the airport. We can even take you to the airport, and then we'll go to the gym.
Yeah,
We'll go eat right now, and then we'll come back so he can go to the airport, and then we'll go work out after that. All right?
Sounds good.
Get your ass up. Get your ass. Here you go, Dad. Ready? Morning turn. I was seeing if you remembered what the name of that place was that we went to when we were here for breakfast before we worked out, but then I finally figured it out.
Like if we start trying to like run funnels and stuff like for your training programs, because I think those would kill the way that you talk to the camera, but
Yeah.
you get
This looks good. It's really good. I like going to like these like local spots, finding somewhere like this instead of just going to.
well, that's the thing about these local spots too, is like their stuff's not good, like they're not gonna get around.
Yeah, I went to. I was in New York. I was in New York last time. My buddy Josh that lives there. He's like, let's get some Chinese food. So I was like, all right. So we walked like through the city for like 25 minutes, and he lived in Lower East Side. And we went to this back alley. Like I'm talking like a dark, dirty dumpster back alley in New York. And he's like, all right, we're here. I'm like, what are you talking about? He opens his door, and I swear, dude, you open this side door next to a dumpster, and there's like 250 people in there eating it. It's crazy.
In New York?
But it was bomb. It's really good. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got lucky. It's still there.
She's still there. The whole thing.
What's that?
Back's still there. We made it.
Oh.
Dude.
What else here? You go 3?
Yeah, I'll go 3. New ones are money.
Yeah, I actually think a lot better than the other one.
I like them better in the capsules too.
Alright, so I'd say shoulders and biceps.
Shoulders and buys?
Yeah.
I'll throw a tank on them.
You hear that? You pick your outfit based on what you're lifting.
Yup.
I'd throw a tape on there.
Yeah. You kidding? I ain't training his shoulders, the fucking t-shirt. No way.
I'm in this phase right now where I like starting with like a jacket or a t-shirt on and then going to a tank.
I just can't wear.
Yeah.
I can never train shoulders with a t-shirt on. I fucking hate it.
Yeah. Yo, these new shorts they sent me are actually pretty cool.
Yeah, those are dope.
I like that they have the little thing right there, how it's see-through.
Yeah.
Pretty sick. So you know how I had my like index finger on the inside of your elbow?
Yeah.
That's like the best way to do it.
Like squeeze right here.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, cool. Yeah, right there. Come on, get it up. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, go, go. You got it. Rocking shit. Go, go, go. Get it. I'm gonna drive. I'll help you. You won't need me though. That first one, that last one, you got out of there easy. Ready? Up. Easy.
He's got like fucking that old
Come on.
man limit.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ready? Here we go. Strong. Drive. One more. I'm gonna help you. Ready? Strong. Up. Crazy.
I got that stuff that you had from
Like-
what's that place?
Oh, yo.
Oh, you got it?
They had one this big, and I was like, you need to get it for
This lighting is just nuts, man.
Oh yeah.
I wanted this.
I just fired myself up and I so fucking hurt.
I just fell on the back. Yeah. Yo, that's it. It's a wrap.
Good.
Good one. You know what? I'm gonna be semi-responsible here. Dude, this is like the weakest In-N-Out meal I think I've ever ordered. So it's like a compromise. I just got one. Just got one.
Just one.
Nope. What'd you get, kid? 14 of them? Want this?
What's up?
You want this?
Yeah.
Oh, boys.
I got 2, man.
It's prime time right there. Oh!
I don't know if you missed it, but
Son of a bitch. Nope.
already ate one.
You better chill out, son.
That double?
That damn tomato fucking got me.
Oh.
That was perfect.
Round 2.
If you go there and tell me what Neapolitan shake, they'll combine strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla for you in one milkshake. They'll change your life and make you slightly overweight. That goes through that Topanga place, and it was after we worked out, and I was ahead of the pack, and it's like 35 miles an hour, so I was driving pretty fast, but the cars behind me were actually keeping up. There was like a Volvo SUV and a minivan and stuff, so I was like, I'm fine. So then this lady pulls out right in front of me in a Prius or some shit, and so we all had to slow down, and I was up on her ass because she was going like 30, and this is like a 10-mile trek through the canyon. So it was just really annoying that she pulled out in front of us and then started driving slow. So she goes to make a left turn, and I saw that she did, and there was enough room on the right side between her and the guardrail, but she was like down at the bottom of a hill and around the corner of like a ravine. So I just went around her, and we're driving for like 5 minutes. I started noticing that there's no cars behind me anymore. I'm like, what the hell? Like, there's no way they haven't caught me yet. There's been a new car that's got in front of me that's slow. And then I start seeing emergency vehicles, their sirens on, coming towards us. And for the rest of the drive home, no car was ever behind us. What had to have happened is when I slipped behind that car, those other cars that were trailing me fast had to have came around that corner and just drilled that car.
I swear.
And then,
about 2 minutes later.
yes, what are the chances of that? Think about that. Like, if she wouldn't have pulled out in front of me, she wouldn't end up getting rear-ended. Or the person behind us wouldn't have gotten a car wreck. That's so nuts.
What's that proper stability data on that? Because it wants to go through 2 years of real-time stability data.
It's gonna be our favorite.
Okay.
So are we not gonna say anything, you know?
No, I want to tell him what we're thinking before we try it.
Okay.
So, we did what? Pineapple, you said mixed berry, and mint lemonade.
Correct.
Okay. Out of the gate with it first, huh? Alright. What do you think? Is that it? The mint does help at the end with the aftertaste, you're right.
Yeah. But it should also give them that clean, like, okay, I found a better way of doing this while still maintaining like health and wellness. And
This is going to be the next flavor of Lifted's BCAs. And someday maybe EndoCoast CBD BCAs. Here, split some of this. You can put some of that.
Split some?
Okay. Yeah, that's all that's left. You can have half that. So good.
Check out that side.
That's the best flavored BCA
Yeah.
by far.
That is good.
Thanks to that guy over there. Ryan's the MVP.